Today I'm going to talk about eye health. Okay, and it's one of the topics which has been very important to me, and I've been asked a lot of times on how do we improve our eye health and how do we maintain our eye health. Now, many of us have debilitating diseases like ankylosing spondylitis, arthritis, or we are at that age, 40 plus, 50s, at that age where we need to take care of our eyes. Okay, so one of the ways you can let's talk about eye health a bit. So, of course, as we have only two eyes, and that has to sustain for our entire lifetime, right? So the way and it becomes very important that our lenses and our retina health become is always working fine. Now, as we grow old, one is our retinal health goes down. Okay, our ocular pressures can go down, so the pressure inside the eyeball that can go down, or the vision itself. You will start wearing specs, so the vision itself can go bad. You might have long-sightedness or short-sightedness depending upon what's your genetic disposition and what are your habits. So let's talk about exercises that we can do in order to improve our eye health. Some daily habits that we can put in so that we can avoid uveitis attacks. So these are the attacks which happen to ankylosing spondylitis patients when so this is very prominent, and when they have a big flare, this happens. Or glaucoma or cataract attacks. So glaucoma and cataract happens to normal people, anyone, and it's very prominent in ankylosing spondylitis patients. So glaucoma is basically reduction of or increase in the pressure or reduction in the pressure of your eyeball. So that leads to headaches, and if not treated well, then it can lead to a blurring of vision or attacks, or or more than that, it can lead to blindness also. So what are the ways in which we can maintain our eye health? Okay, and what are the ways in which we can suppress the impact of our diseases of our old age with our eyes? So one of the things is whenever you get up in the morning, okay, so when you wash your face, so wash your eyes with cold water. Okay, so don't wait for to have your tea first, okay, or your coffee first, and then wash your eyes. Wash your eyes the moment you get up, because the whole night a lot of grime is filled up in the tear glands. Okay, so I'll just remove this. So a lot of grime gets built up in the tear glands, and also in our the tear glands around our upper eyelids and lower eyelids. So we need to wash that grime. Okay, bring freshness in our eyes, and also eat a lot of greens. So our mamas and papas have been saying always that eat your greens, have lots of nuts, and drink a lot of water. So whenever you're studying, so these days I'm reading a book. Okay, so this is a very nice book if you want to read. So the gene, it talks about the history of genetics. So it's something that I'm keen about since I have ankylosing spondylitis. It's a genetic autoimmune disease. So when you read, keep the book tilted. Okay, don't keep it down. Okay, don't keep it flat, and then read it. Okay, that disturbs the posture. Keep the book tilted. Okay, and use this finger in order to read through each of the lines. Okay, um, and if possible, try to use your left hand. Okay, the finger of your left hand. It's very difficult to do for right-handed people, and there is a reason for doing that. Okay, let's talk about the reason. Now, when you read with a tilted book and with good sunlight, okay, and good light, well-lit book, and with your hands, couple of things, you'll read faster. Okay, your reading speed increases that much. Secondly, you will read and comprehend faster. Okay, you will not go back. You remember when we read, we tend to go back again and again onto what we were reading. So you will not do that. And secondly, you will be maintaining your eye health in a very good way. Okay, you will have the right posture, right breathing, and the book is at the right elevation. So you will comprehend faster, you will read faster, you'll complete the book, and it doesn't strain your eyes. The focus that you get with your finger also helps you read faster. Okay, and not go back again and again and collude your brain. Okay, second part is even before you start reading, okay, try to when you get up in the mornings, okay, how do you make your, so this is a tip for reading faster also. So how do you read faster? And so in the as soon as you get up in the morning, once you have brushed your teeth and washed your face, washed your eyes, try to do a small massage of your eyes. So let me show you. So you just rub your hands. If there are ladies who want to use face oils or anything, so you can do that in the morning and just rub a bit of oil or have some light oils, okay, and just rub on your face and activate your eyes. Now close your eyes when you're doing this. Okay, close your eyes when you're doing this. And when you're rubbing it, go from the bottom to the top. Go from bottom to the top and back. Bottom to the top and back. You can use your fingers like this, twist it and go back. You can use your fingers like this, twist it and go back. You can use your hands like this and go back, go back. You can use your, calm your forehead. And once you're done that, you can gently rub your eyes. Gently rub the eyeballs. It's very good for you, both on top and below. And use the two fingers, okay, the two fingers to gently give it a massage. So I'll just show you. I'll come closer. You can give some massage. If you're using lenses, of course you'll remove your lenses, but give it a bit of a massage on your eyeballs. Don't put a lot of pressure. So, and if you have gone through any surgeries or if you're using any medication, then consult your doctor for that. But normally you can just use these two fingers and just give a nice massage to your eyeballs on the top and at the bottom. What it does is it tries to help the pressure in your eyeball, the glaucoma pressure, and also activates your eyes. And then just give a nice rub. Okay, the second exercise that you need to do is without changing your facial muscles, just looking straight ahead, expand your eyes as much as possible. So you do this. It's a surprise, the expression which you have when you get surprised. So expand your eyes and contract them. Expand your eyelids as much as possible without changing your facial expression and contract it. Expand your eyes. You will feel a pressure in your ears. Your ears might go up. Contract it. This is also good to remove, tighten your muscles around your eyes and remove the wrinkles also, which are coming with old age. But that's a side effect. The main effect is that your eyes become much more powerful. So just expand your eyes and go down. Expand your eyes and go down. Expand your eyes and go down. Okay. Okay. Now look on the sideways. Look on diagonally. Look on this corner. Okay. Look at this corner and then this corner. So diagonal vision. So just follow that path. Do it 5 times. Go slow. Now look at this corner and then this corner. So if you are having difficulty, then use the finger. Just use the finger and follow the finger. Keep looking at its tip and follow it till it reaches the corner of your eye, corner of your vision. Yeah. So looking diagonally is another one. Now, remember that your eyes, like I said in my previous live, your eyes are the brain outside your brain. Okay, so they have the nerve endings and they impact the way your brain functions. So I call this exercise a lazy eights, and this activates both right and left part of your brain. Okay, so when you do this exercise, it activates both parts of your brain. So what you do is you make eights or the infinity symbol and just follow your fingertips, okay, very slowly, and you will see that you will start getting a kind of a signal on your skull here when you're following. So when you look at left, you will have a strain on your right, and when you look at right, so as you're moving towards the right hand side, your left brain starts to function, and you will get a pressure on your skull. Okay, so these are called lazy eights. These are very slow eights, the number 8 or infinity symbol that you can make. A very good exercise to do before any reading or before you start the day. It's a very good exercise for the eye, and it activates your brain also. So we don't know many things which activate both your eyes and the brain. Can you imagine that? So this exercise activates both your brain as well as your eye. It's a very fantastic exercise which can be used just before reading or can be used when you start the day, before you go to office or you are starting your day. Okay, so these are lazy eights. Okay, second is we need to focus near and far. We need to look at near and far every day. So how do you do that? How do you improve your focal vision? So what do you do that? In order to do that, just hold your thumb, okay, like this. Keep looking at the tip of the thumb and just focus on the thumb, okay, when you're holding it far. When you focus on the thumb, when you focus on the tip of the thumb, when you're holding it far, you will see two images behind you, okay, of the background. You will see two backgrounds when you focus on your thumb. Okay, if whatever is in your background, if it's a tree or if it's a window or if it's a laptop or whatever, you'll start seeing two of those. Okay, now bring it closer. Now you will see two of these thumbs and one of your background. So what you can do is you can quick switching, and you will see two thumbs here. When it's very close to your eye, you will see two thumbs and one laptop. So you have to switch, and that's changing your focal length. Keep doing that. It's very good for your eye health. It's very good for your focal length, the lens within your eye. Okay, its health, maintaining the right power within your eyes, even reducing the power within your eyes. It's very good for this. Okay, second is just hold your thumb, keep looking at it. Now let it just go towards it. Just follow the thumb, follow the tip of the thumb. Let it go to the farthest corner till your hand can stretch, and then let it come back. Follow your thumb again, follow the tip of the thumb. And then let it go again. Go back. Let it come back. So when you do it on the right side, your left side will get activated, but the right eye will get activated. So right eye and left side of the brain, both. Now again, do it on the other side. You should do 5 repetitions of these. Go back as much as possible till you can see your thumb, you know. My left eye vision is a bit partial because of glaucoma. I had like 4 attacks of glaucoma. So I have struggled a lot, and that's the reason why I'm saying that you should do these exercises so that you don't end up with similar problems. So this is another exercise. So using the thumb, okay, and going on the other side, okay. So this is another exercise that you can do. The third exercise is to just, you know, close your eyes tightly. You can hold your eyes here, okay. This will also help you to have a nice facial muscle on your face, okay. Keep the face tight. So just hold the eye muscle here on both sides. You can use 2 fingers and squeeze your eyes. Not very tightly, don't do it very tightly. This will activate your tear glands. You will start feeling tear at the edges of your eyelashes. Open it. Squeeze for a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze. Open. Squeeze. Open. Squeeze. Open. Squeeze. Open. Rub your eyes. Rub your face. Okay. You have a lot of lymph fluid on your face when you get up in the morning, okay. So if you give a nice massage on your face, okay, that drains the lymph fluid, gives you a very nice skin, okay, very glowing skin, as well as it helps your eyes, okay. That much pressure is you know taken out, so your eyes become supple. It also helps you remove dark circles. It also improves your vision. So give a nice bit of massage. Look at sideways again. Look diagonally. Look up and down. On the other side of the diagonal, look up, look down, look at your nose, look at your eyebrows. Second is just roll your eyes from left to right, okay. So you are there, roll it to left and right. Do it slowly. And right to left, left to right. Just roll your eyes. So that you can see it. Roll it on the top. Go from left to right. Do it slowly. Don't do it fast. The idea is to do it very slowly. Go till the extremes of your vision. So do 10 times on each side. That should help. And yeah, splash your eyes and eat your greens, eat your nuts, and eat all the healthy stuff. And also keep sipping water every now and then. Okay, so keep sipping water. That keeps your eyes hydrated. Your eyes have a lot of fluid. It's made up of fluid. So when you don't take water, your eyes also dry up. Okay, and you will feel itchy eyes. You will start rubbing them, and you know, itching, have some itchy feelings. So don't rub on your eyes. Just have water and splash your eyes. Okay. If there is, if you know, many ankylosing spondylitis patients and rheumatoid arthritis patients have dry eyes. Okay, because we use a lot of screens. Okay, we use a lot of phones, and we seldom use books now, using laptops a lot. So if you're having a problem of dry eyes, then use refresh tears or refresh eye drops that you get from normal chemists. They are available over the top. It's just available on you know on over the counter, and you can use it. Just use those refresh tears in your eyes I would say every 3 hours or 4 hours. Just put 2 drops and your eyes will get hydrated. It just gives life to your eyes, especially if you are using contact lenses. So when you use contact lenses, there are now breathable lenses that you get, okay? But if you're using contact lenses, then it's advisable that you also use refreshed ears. Okay, so these are some of the tips. Get up in the morning, splash your eyes, massage your face. Okay, use some oil if you wish. Just massage your face every day. It will remove the lymph fluid. Give a nice massage to your eyeballs. Okay, just press them. Do the eye exercises with your thumb. Make lazy eights. Okay, make lazy eights and use the finger to follow the finger. Do these exercises. Do the near and far exercises early in the morning, and you can do it whenever you have time. Early in the morning is the best, but you can do it while sleeping, just before going to sleep. It will improve your eye health in a much better way. And you can also have a eye chart. I have a eye chart here which I put. So use a 10 feet 10 feet eye chart in your room. Just put it there, and time and again just test your eyes. Okay, keep testing your eyes and see whether you are able to read the eye chart or not. And that will also help you to, without going to any doctor, you are able to find out whether your eye health is good or not. So just do that. Hi Shohag, I am fine. How are you? I'm really fine here. Okay, so I'll come tomorrow again with my live meditation, and use these exercises, and I hope they are very useful for you. And enjoy your weekend. See you tomorrow again. Bye bye.